This numerical is also asked in the previous university exam question paper. A pipe of diameter 400 mm carries water at a velocity of 25 meter per second. The diameter is given and velocity is given. The pressure at the points A and B are given as 29.43 and unit is Newton per centimeter square. Sometimes the unit may be in bar or it may be in Pascal. So be careful and you maintain homogeneous units. All units should be in SI unit. Here is centimeter is there, you convert into meter. So what we do, we will write the solution part. Solution given data. A pipe of diameter 400 mm. So timing he has given diameter is 400 mm. So it is equal to 0.4 meter. Carries water at a velocity. So fluid is water. It is also important because we need to take density value in the Bernoulli's equation. So type of oil is or type of fluid is water. Velocity v is equal to 25 meter per second. Anyway, it is in SI unit. No conversions required. The pressure at the point A, VA, is equal to 29.43 Newton per centimeter square. 29.43 Newton per centimeter square. So it is not in SI unit. You convert into SI unit. Just I will multiply with 10 to the power of 4. Then unit will be in Newton per meter square or Pascal. Similarly, the pressure at the point B, that is maybe outlet at point B, it is equal to 22.563 Newton per centimeter square. That is 22.563. I will multiply with 10 to the power of 4. It will become Newton per meter square. And dear students, don't assume always point A will be inlet and B will be outlet. Don't decide like that. Depends upon the pressure difference that will be the inlet and outlet. For example, here pressure at point A is 29.43. The high pressure is 29. The low pressure is 22.563. Then fluid will flow from A to B, no doubt. Then A acts as an inlet. If A value is 22, then B value is 29. So don't call it as A as inlet. Okay. Then A will become the outlet in that particular case. While continue the problem. While the datum head means that potential energy from the reference line, datum line, or it is also called as a reference line. At point A and point B. So usually the datum point we have taken Z1 is 28 meter, and the second datum line point number 2. So I have to take AB only because he has given clearly A and B. So I cannot take 1 and 2. So here it is 30 meter. What is a unknown here? Find the loss of head. HL. So HL is equal to how much? Between A and B. So this is the statement of the numerical, and we written the given data also. This is asked in the year 2019 and 2018. So for timing, I will draw one diagram for the given pipe. Here, there is only one diameter, means there is no taper section or conical shape. It is a uniform pipe. It is a uniform pipe. The diameter is same between A point to B point. Here is point A and here is a point B. Diameter is 400 mm in which water is flowing. So let us take this is water. What will be the density of water? It is 1000. Net pressure at A is also given, pressure at B also given, everything. And dear students, keep in mind, this is an important point you need to remember. When the diameter is same, then for example here discharge is what? QA. What is the discharge here? QB. And discharge will be remain same according to the continuity equation. So QA is equal to QB. Discharge at point number A, how will you write? Area at point number A, velocity at point number A. Similarly, the discharge using the continuity equation, that is area into velocity for incompressible fluid. So area at point number B, velocity at point number B. So what is the area at point number A? It is pi by 4 dA square, AA, and same area will be there on the point number B also, at B. So both area get cancels. So what is left? VA is equal to VP. So it means that if the diameter is same, then velocity will remain same between point A and point B. Okay, so don't be confused, don't get confused that he has not given whether it is point A or it is at point B. Then don't get confused in solving the such type of numericals. So you remember this point, that if the diameter of the pipe is same, then of course the discharge will be remain same. Then using the discharge equations, if you write continuity equation, the velocity will be remain same. Okay, so what we do, we have to find the value of HL. Now I will write Bernoulli's equation. Step number 2. This you take step number 1. The Bernoulli's equation is given by the Bernoulli's equation is given by, so pressure at point A, PA by rho Z, plus velocity at point A, VA square by 2Z, plus ZA is equal to pressure at point B by rho Z divided by, similarly I will write the velocity term at point B, and potential energy or datum energy at point B ZB plus head loss due to some friction or any kind of losses. So now we will do in different today, a different way. I will take this as E1 because we have not applied such type of method. Same method, same value, same, get the same compared to the previous numerical. So what I do, I will take E1. E1 is this value PA by rho G plus VA square by 2Z plus ZA. So I will substitute the value of PA. The PA value is 29.43 into 10 to the power of 4. So that value will substitute 29.43 into 10 to the power of 4 divided by rho values 1000, G value is 9.81 plus what is the velocity? Velocity value is, I think it is 25. Okay, if you use this equation, the velocity terms get cancelled on both the side. So the shortcut methods you can apply when you are solving some objective types questions or you are attending any GATE exams like that. Okay, here please substitute step by step so that they will get the complete marks. 35 square divided by 2 into G value is 9.81 plus the datum line or the potential energy or datum head at point A is 28 meter. So if you substitute all these equations and in a calculator, and I will get the value of EA, energy at point number A, it is equal to 89.85 meter. So this is the energy at A. You can ask question, why you are calculating energy? You can directly substitute here. Yes, you can do, but you will come to know the direction. Okay, based on the pressure value also you can decide. That is a simple way. But sometimes the pressure will be keeping constant. They will be changing the velocity and potential energy. So you also remember that method also. So similarly, I will calculate energy at point number B. What is the energy at point number B? I will take this equation from here to here. This is total energy at point number B by rho Z plus VB square by 2Z plus Z P, that is potential energy on the datum line, is equal to what is the pressure at point number B? It is 22.563 into 10 to the power of 4. So 22.563 into 10 to the power of 4 divided by the value of rho is 1000 and G value is 9.81 plus the velocity B is same because it is a uniform pipe. There is no change in the diameter of the pipe. In the previous numericals we took non-uniform pipe like this. This was the some numericals. It is a non-uniform pipe, so diameter was changing, but here diameter is constant, so velocity will be remains constant here. So 25, and same, this term is also same. Whether potential energy at point number B, I think it is 30. Yeah, you substitute as 30. So once you substitute all the values in a calculator and the value of EB, I am getting it as 84.85 meter. Now you compare the total energy term at A and the total energy term at B. So it clearly indicates that EA value, that is energy at point A, is more than, it is EA is more than EB. Then how will you decide? The flow is from A to B. The direction of flow over here it does not ask in this particular numerical, but I will write direction of flow is from A to B. A to B. Now what he has asked head loss. This is the term unknown we need to find out. And dear students, so if you take this as EB, that is energy at point number B, this is energy at point number A, that is total energy. So HL is equal to, what will be the formula? Energy at point A minus energy at point B. Energy means total energy. It is not only pressure energy, it is not only velocity, it is sum of pressure, velocity and potential respectively. So I will calculate directly here that value is the value of head loss HL is equal to EA minus EB. What is the value of EA? 89.85 meter, because all values what you are taken in head term, because E pressure head, velocity head, head plus head plus head is again you will get in a meter only, unit of head, minus EB is 84.85. so if you do the difference, I will get 5 meter is the value of head loss. So up to here we have to solve. So this you can write, it is loss of energy or head loss. Head loss